Assalamu alaikum. So we are at Al-Aqsa Hospital in Dar al-Balah, district, and I'm with Mashallah Ustaz Sami Ismail Abu Ajwa, who is the director of nursing and manager of the hospital here, and he distributed these bags of al-khidmat yesterday. So Sheikh, and he's Mashallah also Khatib fil Masjid and give very good Jummah khutbahs. You can YouTube and see him. So, Brother Sami, Ustaz Sami, if you can inshallah tell what did you see and where did you get the bags from?
Okay. Firstly, we appreciated the Khidmat committee in Pakistan, and we appreciated Pakistanese people that support the people in Gaza Strip during the war. This is Khidmat bag for neonatal, distributed in Al-Aqsa Hospital for neonate and his mother. It's like for babies, clothes, because we are now in winter.
Yes.
This is some bags like this. The clothes for neonatal to support, and this is soup for feeding for patients. This is this special underwear. This is special for rolling the baby.
Wow, mashallah.
Okay. Some is soup.
Wow.
This for the little baby, Al-Aqsa Hospital, and some underwear and cap for people. So yesterday we distributed a lot of bags for people that needed in Al-Aqsa Hospital. Thank you, Khidmat Committee. Thank you for Pakistanis people.
And we saw
Gaza to Pakistan.
And we saw in other hospitals also, our other team members who were here, they saw in our...
is distributed in all hospitals functioning in Gaza now, because it's giving via a much Minister of Health that support people from Khidmat. Thank you. We appreciated you for all people.
Thank you.